Ever wonder what it takes to have a pristine, crystal clear pool ready for the summer heat? It all starts long before the first jump in. Today, we're breaking down the process, step by step, to make sure your pool is the place to be this summer. First things first, understanding the importance of opening your pool properly can't be overstated. A well-maintained pool is not just inviting, but it's also safer and more enjoyable for everyone. Now, every great project starts with the right tools. For this task, you'll need a pool cover pump, leaf net, skimmer, pool brush, water test kit, and of course, pool chemicals. The first real step in the process is removing the pool cover. This task can be tricky, especially if there's water and debris accumulated, but with a careful approach and a good pool cover pump, it becomes a breeze. Remember, once it's off, ensure it's clean and properly stored for the next season. Next up, it's time to clean and prepare the pool area. A tidy pool deck and a thorough check for any visible damage to the pool or equipment set the stage for a smooth pool opening. Now we're moving on to the equipment. Checking and reconnecting the pump, filter and heater are key steps in the process. Priming the pump and ensuring proper circulation will help keep your pool clean and clear throughout the season. It's now time for a little pool science. Using a water test kit, you'll check the pH, chlorine levels, alkalinity and calcium hardness of your pool water. Balancing these elements using pool chemicals is vital for a healthy swimming environment. Once the chemistry is sorted, it's time to get physical and brush those pool walls and floor. This step removes any stubborn algae and debris buildup. Following up with a good vacuum ensures a sparkling water surface. The penultimate step is shocking the pool. This process eliminates bacteria and halts algae growth in its tracks. Remember, the right amount of shock treatment is dependent on your pool size. Finally, it's time to run the pool filter. This should be done each day to ensure proper circulation and filtration. Regular maintenance of the filter system will keep it running smoothly all summer long. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to opening your pool and getting it ready for summer. With these tips and a bit of effort, you'll have a clean, sparkling pool ready for those long, lazy summer days. So, here's to a summer full of fun and refreshing dips in the pool. Enjoy!